this griddle cover off. We'll get going. Alright, so another snowy day. Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today I wanted to do a little review on the new Blackstone press and sear kit that they have out. It's the hamburger smash, or the smash burger kit that they have. The original one is like this. The press has got this lip on it. This lip is 3/8 of an inch deep. So when you go to smash a smash burger, they just don't get smashed. It works if that's what you want, a thicker burger, but smash burgers are generally thinner, and then as they shrink up, you know, they get a little thicker. And the original kit comes with the wide spatula with the holes in it, which, you know, I usually smash with this, but with these holes, it's kind of a pain. So anyway, the new kit comes with salt and pepper shaker. Comes with a wide spatula without the holes. Awesome. And then, of course, the press. The press is flat, and it's got a metal handle. I almost bought one, a stainless steel one with a wooden handle, but everybody complained about the wooden handle spinning and the screws on the end stripping out, and just decided not to buy that one. And I'm glad I did, because now Blackstone has one like this. So you can smash it down as thin as you want. You can use it as a press for bacon, whatever you want to use it for. But anyway, it's flat. The only thing is, like, you know, it does have these rivets here, so I don't imagine that's going to make much of a difference. I want to try it out, see if we can smash the burgers and kind of wiggle it and slide this off without using parchment paper. If that doesn't work, well, we'll just go back to parchment paper and go that route. So also, this video is going to be, I think I'll have this uploaded on Fat Tuesday. So in honor of Fat Tuesday, since I'm reviewing the new smash burger press, I'm going to make a couple of smash burgers, and I'm going to make Muffaletta smash burgers. I've got some olive salad that I picked up at Costco, and it's not a muffaletta, but it's a Muffaletta burger. So, and of course, you know, I'm in New Mexico. You can't buy muffaletta bread, so I had to make some. So anyway, here's how we made it. Okay, so we're making our own buns. There it is, all mixed up. Put it in the oven and let it sit for an hour and a half. It'll double in size, and then you just push it down. And then I'm going to get it out of this bowl and kind of form it in a little bit of a loaf. I'm going to cut it in half and then in quarters, because I'm going to make 4 buns for these Muffaletta smash burgers. And then after you get 4 equal parts, you just shape them in the size of a disc and flatten them out, because you do want to set these to the side. These will rise for another hour, but we're going to first get some egg wash on here. It's just egg and water mixed together. Put egg wash on all of them, and then after you get it all on, I'm going to get some sesame seeds, and we're going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on here. And as you'll see here, after we get this done, I'm going to set them back in the oven. I put them in the oven because, you know, there's no breeze and it keeps an even temperature in there, and let them rise for another hour. Then after an hour, we heat to 425. We put our buns, Muffaletta buns, into the oven. We're going to let these go for 10 minutes at 425. And there you go. 2, 1. Okay, 425. Now we're going to switch it to 375. And then I'm going to set my kitchen timer to 20 minutes. 20, and let them go. And this is where, after 20 minutes, we're going to take them out of the oven. Look how nice those look. Okay, all right. And here it is. I'll have a recipe on my website to make these, but that's how you make the rolls for them. And then after they cool down, I'll just cut them in half. I'm going to add some butter to them. You'll see the inside here. Look at that. Yum. Okay, what do you think about that, huh? What? Bakes too? So that's my Muffaletta bread. And you know, usually a Muffaletta is a 10-inch round. They cut it in 4s, but we're making the burgers, Muffaletta burgers, so I made burger size. Hopefully I can make my burger this size. And I've got 4 quarter-pound burgers and some provolone. Of course, you know the Muffaletta has the deli meats in it, so we're swapping out the deli meats for a hamburger patty, a smash burger. And man, it's like 21 degrees out here. That's warmed up, so let's get this going. Okay, so I'm gonna get my burgers on here. It is so cold out here. I'm gonna set my buns over here, warm up a little bit, and we'll have some butter on them. I'll get them going. Let's see how this smash goes. Okay, you just push it down and hold it for 10 seconds, and also notice I did not add oil. Okay, I'm going to wiggle it a little bit, slide it off, just like that, no parchment paper. Let it down for 10 seconds. Okay, wiggle it, slide it off. Just like that. I'm loving that. Yes, sir. Garlic pepper on there. Take my buttered Muffaletta buns, get those down. Put them all on. I'm using a 93.7 hamburger, so there's not a whole lot of grease to these. And of course, as soon as I flip my smash burgers, I add my cheese just to give it a little time to melt. Okay, I'm going to get these burgers off of here, and then I'm going to scrape the griddle here so I can move my buns over to where it's a little warmer to get these nice and toasty. Look at that, that looks just right. So I'm going to get these off of here, and we will get these inside. It's cold, and I'll come back out and we're going to clean this griddle up. Okay, the burger's inside, and I don't normally show this part, but every cook, as soon as I'm done, I come back out and scrape your griddle off, getting the chunks off of it. It's always good to clean your griddle right after you're done while it's hot. Sprinkle some water on it. If you have anything really stuck on there, use your spatula while the water's on there and just give it a little bit of a scrape. It'll come right off. That steam helps clean your griddle. So then I just scrape off any leftovers on there, get the rest of the water off of here, and then what I'm going to do is squirt it one more time, and you'll notice that the water, the bubbles are white or clear, and that tells you that your griddle is clean. Just get a rag. Be careful with this. I make sure my fingers are not exposed, and I use a cotton cloth, and I get it all wiped off real nice. And then that's it. Next you'll just put a little bit of oil. I see guys dumping a ton of oil on it afterwards. I think I might use maybe a half a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon, but not usually. It's just a little bit. You can either use a paper towel or your cotton cloth, and then you just wipe this oil back across your griddle, the entire thing. It'll spread, as you can see right here. Get the backs, the sides, and just get it all nice. And you see, now this is ready for the next grill. It's that easy. And it only takes about 5 minutes, so do it right after you're cooked. All right, so here's my olive salad that I got at Costco. And all you do is apply this to the muffaletta bun. Now these buns, this dough is really dense. And this olive salad has lots of olive oil in it. So it's perfect for this bread. If you do it on a regular hamburger bun, your bun will get pretty soggy. So this is the perfect bun to put the olive salad on. And then I just add my patty with my provolone cheese on it. And on the top, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to spoon some of that olive salad on here. And that's how easy this is. It's easy, it's delicious. You just put the cap on it when you're done here. This muffaletta bun will hold. And here you go. Look at that. Oh, this looks beautiful. Perfect bun, perfect burger. Let's go take a taste. So we'll do a taste test. It's freezing out here, but I have to say that burger press was amazing. I love it. I probably won't ever use my other one. All right, here's my Muffaletta SMASH Burger. See all that olive salad in there. Yeah, that's amazing. The bread is delicious. The bun that I made. All right, I'm getting inside. It's cold. We'll see you on the next video. Yeah, gotta make it.